Hi there, this is Callista, your Interpretive Ranger here at Will Rogers State Historic Park, and I am on the corner of the Backbone Trail and Inspiration Loop where the Backbone continues on into Topanga, and I am here for another round of tricks and tips for going hiking. We have been talking about what to bring along. Now when you're hiking on these trails, especially in the chaparral, there's these little tiny specks of black gnats, and they like to swarm at your eyes, your mouth, and your nose. And they come in huge groups. And it's always great when you're hiking along and then you accidentally swallow one of them and have to hack it out. So I'm here to give you some tips about how to keep those things away. First of all, my favorite, sunglasses. I have a nice pair of close-fitting sunglasses that helps prevent them from coming into the corners of my eyes. See, they're attracted to the moisture that we breathe out and that we have naturally. And so if I can cover those areas, that's the best thing to do. The other tip is I close my mouth and try and breathe in, blowing away from me. And that kind of helps keep them pushed away from your nose and from your mouth. Because as you inhale, they're going to want to be sucked on inside, and that's just entirely unpleasant. Now, if you get really tired of them, let's try one of these nets that you can put over your face. If you have huge masses of them, this is going to guarantee that they can't get into your face. Looks a little funny, but it works every single time. Or just be like me, kind of get used to them. Know that they're not going to carry any nasty diseases that's going to hurt you, and just avoid swallowing them. They don't like to be there. I don't want them to be there.